Hi everyone, our today's topic is top digital skills to learn in 2022. These are highly in-demand skills of 21st century. Hi everyone, I'm Zaima Bhatt here. I'm a digital marketing specialist and a blogger. I blog at www.dollarsgain.com. You can find the link in the description. So let's talk about what are the top digital skills and why do you need to learn these skills. Every one of us wants to earn high, and for earning high we have to why we need to learn these digital skills. With the advancement in technology, many of the jobs will be replaced by artificial intelligence. So the main basic task will be performed by robots and computer software. In this scenario, many of the basic level jobs will not be available for us to do. So we have to learn some advanced skills so that we can monetize them and earn income. So these are the highly in demand skills that I am going to present to you. So let's talk about our first skill. The first skill in the list is search engine optimization, which is known as SEO. So what is search engine optimization? This is a process and methodology which is used by content publishers who optimize their websites so that they can rank in the first page of Google. Google is the biggest search engine. There are other search engines as well like Bing, Yandex, Baidu, but Google has the largest share in the market. So search engine optimization is the process of optimizing blogs and websites with respect to the search engine rules and regulations. There are three types of search engine optimization: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Our second skill is pay-per-click advertising. So what is pay-per-click? Pay-per-click is a model of advertisement in which advertiser pays only when the visitor clicks on the ad. Otherwise he doesn't, like, if the ad is showing, nobody is paying for that. Using searcher queries to display ads on Google search result pages. This is PPC. We can also PPC also holds true for social media marketing. Like you can run ads on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter as well. This is the second most highly in demand skill, but PPC is expensive as compared to SEO. Our third skill is digital analytics. This is the process of monitoring and measuring analytics gained from website or social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and many other platforms as well. So digital analytics has been expanded from web analytics. Now it covers social media channels as well. Why we need to see at the analytics? Why is it important? Because if we look at the analytics, we get to know that which kind of traffic is coming to our website, what they are doing on the website, from which devices they are coming to the website, and what is the location of those people, where do they live. So this is a very important skill which is in high demand by the employers. Another skill in our list is content marketing. Content marketing, as is obvious from the name, content is written, mostly these are the written articles and blogs, what comes in our mind at first when we hear content. But now content marketing also involves audio and video. So it's not just limited to written words. Using content to get exposure and increase brand awareness is called content marketing. The content can be in the form of audio, written, or video. So you can use the platform like YouTube, Vimeo for video marketing. You can use some platforms for podcasting. Podcast marketing is in high demand right now. So these all types of marketing come under the content marketing umbrella. Content marketing is affordable as compared to paid advertising. Another skill is email marketing. Using emails to promote your product or service to the subscribers who have subscribed to your newsletter. This is a very powerful method which is still used by marketing experts. It's not dead yet. It is still in use and people are earning millions doing email marketing. Email list is your asset which you can use anytime you want to talk with your list. Unlike SEO, unlike PPC, unlike other platforms, email is the list that you control. You own it. You don't have to earn some traffic, you don't have to pay for the traffic, but this is the list from which you can get the traffic you have to pay some amount for email marketing software, but you can use it. Another skill is social media marketing. Using social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter to promote and market your product or service. And there are other platforms as well like Quora, Reddit, Tumblr. There are numerous social media platforms, and you can use all of these platforms for promoting or marketing your service or products. It is comparatively easier as compared to other skills. If you already use social media so much, then learning social media marketing can be a piece of cake for you. At the end, I would like to talk about web and app programming. This is fairly difficult field, but if you like coding, then you can go into web development or app development. It is comparatively difficult field, but you can if you love coding, then you can go into web development or app development. Web development, you can build custom websites using different languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ruby, Python, PHP. These are the popular languages which you can use to build custom websites. If you use WordPress, then you can build websites. Like using content management system with the help of plugins and themes. And you can go into app programming, in which you can use Java or JavaScript, Kotlin, these languages to build software apps that are used on Google Play Store. These are the apps which are built by app programmers. You can go into this field. This is highly lucrative as well. These are all the skills which are in high demand, and you can expect somewhere from $40,000 to $60,000 per annual income from learning these skills. So I hope so that you are already practicing these skills, or if you listen to my video after this, you decide to learn one of the skills, pick one of the skills, practice it, learn it, master it, and start earning from it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I will like to know that what is the skill you're already using, among, if any of the skill is among this list, or what is the skill that you are planning to go after. So comment below the favorite skill, one of the favorites. You may have liked some skill from this list, so let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming future videos. Thanks for watching.